What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and welcome to the channel. So today is part 2 of the video from yesterday, and basically what I'm doing in this video is I am trimming and edging, and once I'm finished I will go ahead and blow the clippings. Now this is a Centipede lawn which I'm mowing at a height of 3 inches, and it is a weekly property service. Now, one thing that I want to point out in my videos is that you see where I'm stopping right there. I am very aware of the utility boxes in between the properties, and I do not cross those. I've heard of some guys saying, well, why not just edge the whole front or edge it all the way? No, not in my area, guys. Listen, been there, done that. I've been through it many a times. You know, I try to be I don't know, what do you want to call it, a good Samaritan, and just edge the whole thing. And I've had people come out and complain. And I'm talking about real irate and angry over me crossing their property line. And these utility boxes in my area anyway are your guide. And as you can tell, I'm just trying to make my little denomination line right here and not crossing over. And the plant beds and stuff like that. The customers don't want me to maintain that. They're basically going to take care of that themselves. But believe me, you and I know that eventually they're going to ask me to do it. But you know, yeah, it's going to happen eventually, and including the plant beds all the way around. Now, one thing that this property has that you can really tell is that it has that rubber mulch. Oh man, I can't stand that rubber mulch. But the customer wants me to add about 40 bags that they have inside the garage the next month. So that's another task, and clean out their plant beds. So that's another task that is coming up pretty soon. And you see right here, bam, I stop right there. I will not cross that line. Can't do it. But yeah, it's been raining a lot in my area, and I'm talking about every day. Thunderstorms. So waiting this out is not something that I'm going to do. And yes, I'm going to have a little bit of wet spots like right here in the corner. That's okay. It's going to happen if you're a lawn care provider. Just kind of learn how to deal with it. Now this strip right here in between the street and the sidewalk, I tend to just drive over it sometimes, but it is right now it's real wet. So I'm just kind of turf lining it real quick, taking off the top 1/3, and right here I stop, bam, right there. And I will not go past that mark right there. And yes, like I said before, some of you guys will say, hey man, just do that line. Nah, I'm telling you, I've had people write bad Google reviews because I went over their property line. So unless you have that person come out and tell you, hey, it's okay, or if you want to, if you see them outside, you can ask. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it because I've been there, done that. But other than that, guys, let me see. Sorry about that. I'm using the Toro Revolution trimmer. And this trimmer, again, this is a 2.5 amp battery. And it works great. It works great for what I do. Again, I had a lot of people ask me, hey, how does it do in overgrown stuff? I don't know. I honestly don't know. So, but yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. Really, you know, when you're doing these properties or whatever the case might be, do what you're paid for. You can only go above and beyond if you ask. And right here, yes, I'm going with the trimmer, but eventually I'll blow that off at the end. And here, I'm gonna most likely, hopefully soon, once I get the thumbs up, install a 3-inch border, because right now the 1 inch or whatever they have in there just kind of sunk. You can't even tell that they have one. Okay, and right here, see, I don't go past that utility box. And yeah, that's what we do it in my area. Try not to mess and get on all the people bad sides. You know, that's their property. They pay for it. It's their home, so therefore you have to respect it. Other than that, guys, continue watching the video. Like, share, follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Enjoy the video, man. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.